In this video, I will show you how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. So today I'll be showing you how to enable YouTube incognito mode so you can browse and watch videos without those activities being saved to your account's watch and search history. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, privacy tips and easy tech guides. Now, as you can see, we're here on youtube.com. If I come up and actually click onto my profile icon now, you can see there's not really an option for incognito mode. However, there's two ways to actually enable incognito mode. So what you can do, the first way is if you click onto your profile icon, and from this menu, you want to click onto your data in YouTube. Now, what that's going to do is take you to a page like this. From here, scroll down slightly until you see the option for YouTube watch history. And what you can do where it says on, you can click the arrow next to this, which is going to take you to the activity control screen. Now, from here, you can just simply go ahead and turn off your YouTube watch history. So by doing this, of course, it's going to limit or disable recommendations and experiences based upon your watch history and effectively acts as an incognito mode on YouTube. So what you can do is pause this at any point if you want to enable incognito mode on YouTube. That's going to pause your YouTube watch history and effectively act as an incognito mode for YouTube. Another way to do this, if you are on Google Chrome, is to just simply come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots, and from this menu that comes up, you can just select new incognito window. Once you've done that, come across to youtube.com, and as you can see, you're not going to be logged in or anything like that, so you can just browse through and choose YouTube using Google Chrome's built-in incognito mode. So that's how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.